Dr. He Jiankui modified embryos in 2018 to make them resistant to HIV. He was later incarcerated for his actions. But why was this a bad thing? First, let's understand what it means to modify babies. Robert Sparrow tells us that there are two forms of genetic modification. There is person affecting, which aims at targeting one specific disease, and there is identity affecting, which aims at blocking undesirable traits, while also introducing enhancements. The form that Dr. Jiankui used was person affecting. He disabled a gene known as CCR5, which should stop the HIV in its tracks. However, as Savulescu and Alonso put it, there is a risk of failure or unforeseen consequences. We don't know the full functionality of every gene, and disabling them could come with major side effects. Speaking about side effects, the other form of modification, identify affecting, presents another issue. The larger number of modifications associated with identity affecting procedures could lead to their personality being artificially determined rather than letting it occur naturally. However, these aren't the only reasons why we should avoid modifying our babies. Sparrow raises concern with enhancing humans through genetic engineering. He makes the argument that building a more capable generation of people would make the older generations obsolete. Some of these enhancements include strength, stamina, and intelligence. These are all things that could lead to newer generations becoming superhumans. This is similar to those science fiction stories about AI becoming sentient and deciding they no longer need humans to survive. It is very possible that these genetically engineered superhumans could do the same. They may see older generations as inferior, with less capabilities, and decide that they are a waste of resources to have around. We have seen things like this happen before, with certain traits about race being believed to be superior. If you ever had any thought of designing your next kid, think again. It may not be worth the trouble we could have prevented.